sweet potato time. Most people would take this sweet potato and throw it out because it's sprouting. But that is your next season sweet potato vines. So I did a video and it was kind of messed up. So let's try it again and pinch these off right here with your nails and take them off of the potato. Don't throw the potato away because every eye will continue to produce a vine. So if it's difficult to find in your area, just sprout one of the ones that you like. And all you have to do is put it in a corner somewhere in a bag or a box and just let it sit and it will sprout on its own. Then what I do is I take the water in a container. It doesn't matter what kind. Some people throw their jars out. I like to keep different things for different reasons. And this is one I just put in there yesterday. So what it's going to do is it hadn't started to sprout the leaves yet. So then after that, I will take the same sprouts, and I'm doing a nicer looking picture, and take it in one of these right here. A lot of times you get a lot of flower vases and different things. Don't throw it out. You actually can put a pineapple in here as well. And I'm going to put some brown paper in the bottom part. And what the brown paper is going to do is help them not sink to the bottom till I'm ready. So this is the one with the brown paper. Well, I would throw that out, or you can put a flower arrangement. But you can always reuse it later because it's glass. And then with the glass right here, I took the potato vines and I put the potato vines in the another vase that people wouldn't normally throw out. It looks kind of pretty, so now I just put this set in here, and they will probably droop over the top. It will be a thriller or a spiller. It will thrill and spill and fill all at the same time. So this is where I had them. So here is what the potato vines turned to. So I had them in a pool noodle. And you can put pool noodles or whatever to kind of hold them up if you want to put them in different containers. But what I did, I saved some brown paper napkins from a restaurant. And that looks really good in the bottom part. It looks more like soil, light color. And wind up, and this is what we have that sprouted off. If you have a deep planter, like maybe like 8 to 10, 12, 15, 6, a deep raised bed. If you want to plant these in the ground, you can wait till next year, but you can go ahead and plant them, but you do need to cover them over the winter time. So this, I'm going to take this right here and put it in this pot right here. The nice brown paper already in there. And look, here we go. Take them in there and they sit on the top because the paper will hold them to keep them from going down. You can look in, and they actually can have, to see how your roots are growing because the brown paper in the water. If it goes, the water goes down, you can always lift them up. But in a little bit, it's going to start to spill over the sides and it'll hold itself up. And I have about 2 more to do. So I'm going to take the brown paper, put it in there, and then I'm going to sprout my own vines. So next season I can separate them and plant them. And this is the type of, and the strain of sweet potato I'll get. So I'll take them and plant them in the ground and make sure the earth is soft. So if it's not soft, then it can't go down and spread out. So if you had tight soil or clay soil, what it'll wind up doing is it'll wind up restraining your roots to keep them from growing. So your objective is to have enough compost, enough sand, enough something in your soil to make it where you're, instead of it being like this and your roots like this, it'll spread out this way. And they spread out, the more they spread out and go down, then the more potatoes that you have. So this is a sweet potato, how to sprout it, from the potato to the sprout, and hold it over wintertime on the inside. So long as it's on the inside, it can look like a flower. Let it stay in your vase, keep water in it, and keep it going like a flower or a vine. And then next season you could take it out and plant it and wait. But this continues to produce sprouts continuously. So I'll keep this until I can't get any more sprouts off of it. And each glass vase or whatever I have, I'll continue to fill it up. So next season, since I wasn't able to do it this season, but next season I'll have a lot of sweet potatoes. So this is how I sprouted it. This is what it looks like. And it outgrew my pool noodle. And this is one without the nulo. It comes right from the potato, and it looks like this, and then it'll wind up, continue to grow, and it'll sprout from this right here to here to a root like this. And that's how you continue to grow your sweet potatoes. Root to fruit, 3, 2, 1, sweet potato vines, sweet potato vines, to a sweet potato later. From the root to the fruit, and that is our objective. 3, 2, 1.